take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When Calls the Heart is continuing to move on without Lori Loughlin. The Hallmark Channel drama has been renewed for Season 8, a little over a year after the actress was dropped by the network in light of her alleged role in the college admissions cheating scandal. We can't wait to see you back in Hope Valley.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Due to the 55-year-old's arrest in March 2019, the hit Hallmark series took a 2-month hiatus in order to remove Lori's character, Abigail Stanton, from the remainder of Season 6, which had already begun airing when the Full House alum was taken into custody on fraud charges.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Lori Loughlin free, When Calls the Heart, returning to Hallmark, renewed for Season 7. The series will resume its 6th season in May. Hallmark Channel has set a return date for When Calls the Heart, minus former star Lori Loughlin.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.